Gel cutting machine. Unboxing. Accessories. Remove protective pads. Remove the fixing screws. Install the cutting blade set. Peel off the screen film. Five sets of pressure wheels, more stable. Connecting power. Power on. Wi-Fi connection. Peel off the screen film. Applicable to most electronic products. More than 40,000 models, unlimited cutting and real-time updates.